January 28th, 2021 vocabulary. Directions. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not an integer. All right, so we can remember that an integer is going to be a positive or a negative, and it's also a whole number. So meaning a whole number greater than or less than 0, positive or negative. It is not a decimal and not a fraction. So let's take a look at our options here. 902, that is a whole number, and that is a positive, so perfect. That is an integer. Negative 249, yep, that's a whole number. It's a negative. It is also an integer. 9, yep, that's a whole number. That's positive. That's an integer. Negative 1032, that is a negative integer, a negative whole number. And 10 and 44 hundredths. Ah! Decimal! No! Bye! All right, so that one is not going to be an integer. So, I'm going to put that X over this. And that's going to be it for our vocab. I should probably put this back before I realize next time I need that. All right, that's going to be it for our vocab. Great job.